What's going on, everyone? Ali Akbar here. Every single day on this channel, I teach you how to build a real e-commerce business using white label dropshipping. And today, what I wanted to do is very interesting. I basically track a ton of different e-commerce stores, right? As of this count, I'm tracking over 108 different stores, and this is just on one account. I have another account which was tracking a bunch more stores. In today's video, I'm going to pick the top 5 stores that I'm tracking that I want you guys to pay attention to because there's something very specific as a beginner that you can learn from it. Okay. So I'm going to pick 5 different stores. I'm going to talk you through why I always revisit these stores and learn from what they're doing. Having and owning a 7-figure e-commerce business myself, it's really important to understand the e-commerce landscape. And I tend to learn less from other creators and more from like what people are doing inside of the arena. Just looking at what businesses are doing every single day, it teaches me more than like any paid course could. Okay. So again, in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 businesses that I'm tracking and why I think you should track them as well. Now, the software that I'm using is Winning Hunter, and I will leave them linked down below so that if you wanted to, you can get tracking as well. All I ask, if you do end up watching this video in any way, shape, or form until even the middle or towards the end, all I ask is that you like the video or subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free to do so. All right. With that being said, let's go with our first pick. Our first pick for businesses that I love is BugMD. Okay. This store makes $1 million a month. All right. Now, I could do like hours and hours of content just on this one store alone. But for those of you guys that are new to the channel and don't watch a lot of the content, well, you probably don't know what this BugMD store is. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what they sell and why this store is absolutely crazy. All right, guys, so we're looking at the ads for BugMD. Sometimes Facebook's business manager, the ads library is a little spotty. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. Now, the one thing that I think that anybody should take from this particular business is its ability to create fear to get somebody to purchase from you. Okay. Now, what do I mean? Its ability to create fear. Okay. To E-commerce is about taking a total stranger from some other part of the world, or maybe they're in your part of the world, but they're not near you. So a stranger from anywhere, and motivate them to buy. And fear is one of the biggest motivators there is out there. If you can install in someone the fear that they need to make a purchase, they're going to buy. Okay. And look at their ads. Okay. This is just one of their ads. And look at just the start of this ad. Look at the thumbnail. The reason you need to buy this spray is it melts bed bugs and their eggs. Their advertising is so crazy, and they use AI. It just give me goosebumps as I look at it. So I'm not going to look at it anymore. But the types of ads that this business creates, you can't go to sleep after. If you are somebody who is like a neat freak, or you're noticing some issues within your kids or within your pets, you're going to purchase their essential pest control products. Okay, these are the products that allow them to be able to get rid of, like, insects and pests in your home. It's all natural. It is a product that is something that if it works once, people are going to reorder again and again. It's something that people will keep ordering multiple bottles of. So this is definitely something that gets my thumbs up. The way that they sell the 2-page system, they've actually been using this particular product page for years now, and this is why I think this company and its ability to create fear-based ads is something that you need to study. And if you can start using and injecting a little bit of fear in your ads, you will see your CTR and your ads start performing incredibly well. Okay, so that's business number 1. Okay, let's continue, and I'm going to show you business number 2. Now, this is a little bit of a controversial business, because I remember when I made this video, a lot of people decided that they didn't like the fact that I gave this business publicity. Now, for me, guys, you got to remember one thing. I'm not looking too much into the ethics of a business. Okay, of course, if it's clearly a scam, I'm never going to show it on the channel. But something about this business completely blew my mind. Okay. And it was the fact that this business, it's called Psychic Samira. Okay. Now, this business, again, $400,000 a month, but the way that they make this money is absolutely insane. And the way that they make this money is that they have a zero fulfillment cost because their offer is a psychic reading. It's literally a psychic reading. So typically what ends up happening is when somebody comes here, right? When somebody comes here and it's like, okay, get your full psychic reading, okay? This is a digital dropshipping product. Okay, so they're targeting people that believe in like astrology, and they do this a lot. They go to like fun fairs, they meet people that read cards, XYZ. But I've never really seen this applied online in a way where they're making $500,000 a month. With physical dropshipping, there's a fulfillment cost, right? You need to basically pay for every order that comes in. With digital dropshipping, it's not like that, okay? They probably have some AI that's done it for them, okay? Look at this. If you order their one-time reading, all you have to do is fill out a questionnaire, add to cart, and send it. And now you'll get back in return text. Okay, so you fill out like what your love interest is, 3 questions below, and any other info you should know. And you're going to get back like a psychic reading done. Now, what I think is because they're basically getting like 500 orders a day, there is no way that a human being is doing this. I don't know how big their team could be that they'd be doing this. So my guess is that there's some form, again, it's totally unvetted. Okay, they may actually have people that are going through 500 psychic readings and giving them detailed responses, but I'm thinking there's an AI that's doing this, right? So they're getting the questions, they're getting the answers, and an AI is sitting through, sifting through, and giving them answers because it's for them, like at least the what I know about astrology is that it is a science. It's science backed, right? So they look at certain things, they compare charts, XYZ. So I don't see how an AI couldn't do this. So I mean, there is literally very, very little fulfillment costs, and all of this is mostly profit that's coming in. So you have to pay like 20% to just operate the business, and then maybe another 20 to 30%, even 40% for ads, but the rest of it is profit. So imagine doing that in $27,000 days selling a digital product. So again, I know that a ton of people didn't like the fact that I shouted them out, but for me, man, it's just the fact that they have such a genius business model that's in here. Okay. Now, the third business is Happy Mammoth. Okay. Now, the reason that I really like coming back to and studying this business is, look at, number one, they make $2 million a month. Okay. And they've been making millions since I've been tracking them. Okay. Making millions for these guys is not a uncommon thing, but the way that they do it is crazy. Now, what I really like about Happy Mammoth is, in fact, there's actually 2 things. Number one, their ability to use image ads to sell. And number 2, their ability to use funnels to sell. Okay, so I know that they use a ton of videos, but a lot of their image ads is very compelling. Okay, now look at this, right? Just look at this, right? It wasn't fat, it was cortisol all along. So this was the person in July, this is her in August, this is her in September. And this is all you need is their best-selling product, which is a probiotic, okay? Which is it's called Happy Harmony, right? Hormone Harmony. And man, they've been using this particular product and been selling it for so long, okay? This Hormone Harmony has been used to sell against for weight loss. They've sold it as a prebiotic. They've sold it for so many different reasons. That's again another thing that I like about it, is that because their supplement offers so many different. They've given it for hormonal weight gain. I mean, they've sold this product for so many. This will also help you when your estrogen plummets. Like, there's so many different reasons they've sold this particular product. They keep tapping into new markets, and the way that they use image ads, right, drains double chin in 7 days. I mean, the way their creative use of images, it's definitely something to study. Beer belly gone. Look at this, right? Drains 1 kilo a day of beer belly. I mean, the way that they use image ads is absolutely insane. And their funnel building is crazy. So now they're running a ton of different pages, right? But look at this, right? The way that they build funnels, like this is one of their pages that, I mean, they've used for a really long time, okay? They've been running traffic to this page for I'd say close to a year now, over a year, and they use the same page every single day to make money. Okay, so they run image ads that are very, very thought provoking, right? It wasn't fat, it was cortisol, and they run traffic to beautifully built pages like this. Of course, they're going to make millions. Okay, they've gotten the audience right and they've gotten the funnel right. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long, but the next one is actually going to be, they're right here. Okay, Gora and the grounding well. Okay, so now what do I like about this particular business? Now, Gora is something that I just think that this business is going to do well. I mean, this is, by the way, not even close to how much money they're making. They're making at least 10 times more. Okay, they're probably doing over 7 figures a month. Now, the one thing that I love about this business is it's the product that they have, which is essentially like this. It's called like liquid gold almost. Essentially what it is, it's like a silk body oil. Okay, now the one thing that I really like about this product that they're doing is the fact that this product is so easy to advertise. Okay, one of the things that I love about this product is all they have to show is this. All they have to show is if you use this product, you're going to look like women like this. Okay, that's it. Your body, and so what they're doing is this. That's all they have to show. They have to just show massive transformations, and they have to show women enjoying using the product, and the product will then basically sell itself. It's all natural, but what they're doing is really funny. Okay, some of the stuff that they're doing is that they're showing they're AI generating older women like this who have really young bodies. I think this is AI generated. This is most probably AI generated content where like old women really don't look like this. So yes, they're setting up false expectations. Again, I'm not here to judge anybody. I'm just here to report on what they're doing, which I think is truly like getting them conversions, right? And this is it. Some products make themselves easy to advertise. Some products don't. Okay, so this is another product that I feel like I need to give it props because it's just so easy to advertise. All right, and finally, the GOAT, one of the biggest, baddest businesses is Grounding Well. Now, the reason that I love this business, again, doing $1 million a month, is their ability to select a niche. Okay, this niche that they've selected, this grounding niche, okay, is essentially one which is so underrated. Most dropshippers will never go after this, and it's a subculture that they own. They own the subculture now. Now, if you guys don't know what grounding is essentially you basically because we've urbanized so much and we live in cities now. Before, what we used to do is we used to put our bare feet on grass, and that used to give us a ton of benefits. But now we don't do that. And what grounding does is using electromagnetic pulses or whatever the science is, it basically doing this is equivalent of you actually putting your feet on grass. And so it helps you with anxiety, joint pain, fatigue, inflammation, insomnia. This is a really, really cool niche to be a part of. Okay, there are people that really believe in this science, really believe in this energy, really believe that a bunch of our problems come because we're not connected to the earth. And selling to people that already believe in this is a much, much better and easier way to get sales versus selling to people that don't believe in this, right? So they've selected their niche and their passion audience so well that sales almost happen automatically for these guys. Okay, obviously I don't mean to discredit their advertising and the use of their landing pages. I mean, they build some really, really cool pages like funnels and stuff. Like I know we've discovered some really, like, look at this. Like, this is one of the weird sheet finally fixed my 3-year sleep problem. You look through all of the issues that somebody was going with, and you click here, and now you're at the grounding well bed sheet that gives you those benefits. So these are the businesses that these are top 5 for me, and there's much more. There's 100, right? We've only covered like 5% of the businesses. In fact, each of these is a business worth studying. If you guys want me to repeat this segment again, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to do that. And what's really cool, guys, is every single business or in fact, like 90% of the businesses that I showed you are available inside of our premier program, white label dropshipping. So remember that Gora body oil that I showed you? Well, it's available here, right? What we do, what our expertise is we basically go ahead and rebuild 6 and 7 existing 6 and 7 figure businesses, and we allow you to launch this under your own brand. So we find these businesses, we rebuild them, and we let you launch this. So the silk body oil funnel is in here. The grounding well funnels are in here. The hormone harmony funnels are in here. All of those funnels that you saw, all of these amazing looking product pages that you saw, all of them are in here. We recreate them with AI, and we allow you to launch it with your logo. So for those of you guys that are serious about launching an e-commerce dropshipping business, specifically in these times where it's so crazy with everything going on in the political environment, if you need to be able to, if this is the time for you now to start investing in yourself, investing in your skills, investing in a side business that helps you during these times, I mean, there's no better place to start. So I'll leave the link to white label dropshipping down below. Please go ahead and check it out. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I'll catch you guys next one.